How to fix Fortnite error 20006, Chapter 2 Season 8, in Windows. To fix Fortnite error 20006, Chapter 2 Season 8, in Windows try, 1. Run the egiantisha_setup.exe as admin. Application location, C program files Epic Games Fortnite anti-cheat service Fortnite game binaries Win64/32 easy anti-cheat. Or, this one, C program files Epic Games Fortnite game binaries Win64 easy anti-cheat. 3. Name the aforementioned anti-cheat driver. 4. Uninstall and reinstall the game.